Whether you just got started in family history or have been doing this for years, the new Ancestry Storymaker Studio is a great place to create and share the stories in your family tree. Here's how easy it is. Open the Ancestry mobile app and go into the Storymaker Studio. Then select Stories and choose a story prompt. I'm going to choose heirlooms for this one. Click to add a photo. Don't already have it in your tree? You can take a photo of the item directly or scan or upload an existing photo. Once the photo's in your gallery, tap to attach it to the story you're creating. Write a headline. What will catch people's attention and help them want to know more? Click Save. Now, in 3 or 4 conversational style sentences, tell the story. Add some color, add another photo or 2, add a title slide. Make sure everything is arranged just the way you want it, and click Done. It's just that simple. From here, you can publish to share it with the Ancestry community. It will also be saved to your tree gallery. You can also download it to your mobile device as a video clip to share on your personal social media channels. And that's genealogy in a minute.